Hello, this is the Heidelberg Suprasetter. It is a 8-up thermal plate setter, CTP, and today I'm going to show you how to run a plate through the Suprasetter. So why don't you follow me here. Right here is the user interface for the Suprasetter. We have a job already lined up here, this TIFF right here, so we're just going to hit play and get it started. Now it's web-based, so it's going to now load the job over to the Suprasetter. While we're waiting for this, let's go grab a plate right over here. Grab one of these things here. These are xenographic plates. Now we're just going to put it on to over here. You want to get it so it's just between the two lines over here. Alright, and now we're still waiting for the machine to actually process the job. So we'll just wait a second here. Put this up here as it's still processing. There we go, you can see the progress bar right here. This is where the job is going. And now you can hear it's getting started. What's going inside of the table is moving up into the ready position to take, now if you take a look over here, take a look at the computer, it says please insert material. So what we do, take the plate, side, nice and straight. Go in, be careful, get it to the edge here, and then let's start. Okay, now the Suprasetter takes the plate, puts it onto the drum, and it starts burning the image onto the plate. So why don't you move over here? We can see as it goes. It's not a very long process. It's quite quick, actually. There you go. loading the plate back onto the table. So we're going to bring it out and then spit it out over here when it's ready. You can also obviously connect this directly to a chemical processor, so it goes really quickly. It's all streamlined in a big shop. But we're going to take this one to our own chemical processor to show you the end result. So here we go. Here we have the plate. Okay. There we are. Now let's go this way. And we'll take this thing over to the chemical processor. Set it up over here. Just turn on the processor. Okay. Put it in. And go evenly. Left or right? And here we have the final plate after processing. As you can see, everything came out just fine. I'm glad you joined us for this demonstration on how to create a plate through the Heidelberg Suprasetter. Thank you very much.